Firstly, there could be different types of narcissists. There is covert, there is overt narcissist, right? So it's more like it's all about me. It's excess. When we say self-love, it's like inflated self-love. So if it's inflated, it's too much about you. What does that imply? It's less about
Others.
others. Yeah. Now, what do you think has caused it? If it's too much of it, caused because of it ultimately means there is lack of it. See, whenever you're going to the extreme of it, like too much means a lack of it. Makes sense? So it's actually stemming from lack of self worth, and then they are seeking it from others. We've learned perceptual positions, right? Remember 1, 2, and 3? So a narcissist would be more in perceptual position of
Three.
3,
One.
1, too much of
Yes,
1.
one. Yeah.
It's all about 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So usually, I'm not saying all the time, usually they'll attract a partner who's in perceptual position, living in perceptual position.
Two.
Three.
Two.
Two.
Yes.
So that's how it becomes a match, no? So too much of one will
Right.
attract someone who's too much in two. That's how the match is made. And then it could falter on an abusive relationship. It's a bit of a toxic relationship. And then person one two is basically in psychology term, we call it as codependency. So they are becoming codependent. So now the person in two, which is not a healthy relationship. Why? It's only more of two. So its perceptual position is missing. What is missing is
One.
one. Yeah,
Ah,
correct. So they are not thinking about self. What about
yeah.
their needs? What about their wants? It's not being considered.
Correct.
Then they might end up playing a victim role, victim mode.
Yeah.
All
Got
this
it.
Vichari and all that. So that
Hmm.
could happen. Again, I'm saying
Hmm.
that is something that is commonly seen. They find it difficult to move out of it because they've lived their life in position two. They don't know what it's like to live in position one. Having their own needs, wants, desires, they don't even voice out. They are so much suppressed. Now, what happens is, what if they start opening up? What if that partner starts opening up? Now the narcissist is like, oh my god, this partner started speaking up and shit. And now they could move even more aggressive,
Aggressive.
gaslighting and all of it. So it's going to like be a little bit of a messy relationship. So quite a tricky one. Where typically the narcissist will not come for a therapy, right? Would they come?
Never.
No.
Never.
No.
They would not come. If the position, like the partner of the narcissist, suddenly wakes up and thinks, okay, what about my needs, my wants? Suddenly she wakes up. Then she goes in for therapy. Otherwise, she does. She is still in position to living with charring, this that thing to me. And there could be traits like, for example, depression that could come up in the partner of the narcissist. Because depression is usually a state of helplessness along with frustration. Like if you mix up, like a combo container, combo package. So if you do like a combo package of frustration and helplessness, it leads to depression.
Hmm.
And then they end up staying there for, or in now depression could go on for years and years and years. And that's something that could go on for a partner of narcissist because they are feeling helpless. They have lived their life in position too. Now they don't know what it's like to come out of it. They've not expressed how they felt, their needs, their wants. It's not been expressed. So if that person, the partner of narcissist, as you discussed, what is missing? Position
One.
One.
one is missing. Yes. So there is a concept of a person needing to state their needs and wants. It may or may not be approved, but you need to start stating it. That is something that needs to be done at a practical level by the partner of a narcissist who's coming for the session. So you have to give them emotional states. Like, for example, usually confidence is lacking. Usually, confidence is lacking. So they're not able to be vocal, expressive about their needs and wants. So they need to share with that partner about their needs and wants, which may or may not be met, and they should be okay with it.